Good afternoon guys. So welcome to our daily vlog. So here is Sanabaning. So he is trying to clean the bushes using a bolo, a sharp bolo. Lagi aqua saan mo dito? Palit sa ang oyo yan. Hindi share ko na ba? Palit ka? Ha? Ma. Pandesal ko na ma. Pila man? Pila lagi? 100 gano? 100 lagi kwarta? 100. Ha? Okay na? Patuloy mo ko eh. Dadi raw. Patabok ka lang itong kuhan. Kaya tabok lang yun. Pandesal 100 ba? 100 gino. That all money mo dos bahay. So it's very thick bushes, and Sanabaning had started to clean those parts. So it is also being bought by my aunt, two aunts working on abroad. So yeah, we're just only cleaning this because we're being asked, or we are being given task to clean this part of the land. So this kind of plants is in vernacular language we call this saging because it looks like banana, but yeah, it also serves as an ornamental plants used for decoration on altar or on stage with the flower. You know this that orange flower serves also as a flower for decoration. So that's for today's vlog. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and follow also. We'll see you in the next video, and goodbye.